Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying where contacts were stored and why retrieval is possible. Power the phone and confirm the SIM is seated. Low battery can interrupt restores. Open the contacts menu and look for storage labels, phone, SIM, memory card, because restore steps differ. Once you know the location, choose import/export or restore. Make sure to pause other apps. If you see an option to view deleted or backup files, select it to begin recovering the list. You now execute the core recovery. Navigate to Menu, then Settings inside Contacts and pick Import/Export or Restore. This is where deleted entries resurface. Choose the correct source, SIM, SD, or any internal backup file. Select all contacts to avoid missing entries. When asked to overwrite versus merge, choose Merge to preserve any existing contacts and prevent accidental deletion. Once the import runs, scroll through the list to confirm names and numbers reappear. Finish by validating each recovered contact and immediately create a new backup to SIM, SD, or cloud. This prevents repeat loss. If contacts did not restore, shut down and reseat the SIM or insert it into another keypad phone to read SIM stored names. Sometimes the original phone hides them. Only consider a factory reset as a last resort and make an external backup first because reset erases data. If problems persist, contact your carrier for SIM diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.